Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase email subscribers with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Mailchimp website and click on the sign up button. Create a free account by entering your email address, username, and password. Once logged in, you will be guided through the setup process. Complete your profile by adding your organization's name and website. Next, navigate to the Audience tab in the main dashboard. If you don't have an audience yet, click on Create Audience and fill in the required details. After creating your audience, you'll want to set up a sign-up form. Go to the Audience tab and select Sign-up Forms. Choose Embedded Forms if you want to place the form on your website. Customize the form fields according to your preferences. Mailchimp allows you to add fields like name and location for better targeting. After customizing, copy the generated HTML code. Now, go to your website's content management system. Paste the HTML code. Alternatively, you can create a landing page through Mailchimp. Select Landing Pages from the main menu and click Create Landing Page. Choose a template that suits your brand aesthetic. Edit the template by adding images, text, and your sign-up form. Ensure to prominently display the benefits of subscribing. Once you are satisfied, click Save and Publish. Next, promote your sign-up form through social media. Consider offering an incentive, like a discount or free resource, for subscribing. Customize your welcome email content to reflect your brand voice. Adjust your strategies based on what content resonates most with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.